Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how I take care of my oily, sensitive and sometimes acne prone skin. So this is the present situation of my skin. Once in a month during that time I usually get acne on my skin and my skin type is super oily and super sensitive, जिसकी वजह से pimples once in a while आ जाते हैं. This is my nighttime skincare routine, and as you can see I have acne and acne scars on my cheeks and on my chin, so something has to be done. So let's get started. So सबसे पहले we are going to use a cleansing oil, the double cleansing method. Trust me guys, ये skin को इतना change कर देगा. Once I have started it, I don't think there is now going back. So this is the Bioderma cleansing oil. This is for sensitive skin, and if you can see I have applied lipstick. Subah I had to go somewhere, so there is lipstick on my lips, there is sunscreen on my face, and हमारी जो skin type है उसके लिए I'll tell you ये क्यों important है using cleansing oil and double cleansing method. So when we use sunscreen or any makeup or any skincare in the morning, क्या होता है within the day जितना भी dirt, pollution or even that skincare tends to settle on our skin. और ये जो है ये ऑयली चीज़ें हैं हमारी स्किन के लिए. आई एम नॉट सेइंग सनस्क्रीन इज़ बैड, इट्स गुड फॉर योर स्किन, बट इसको क्लीन करने का भी एक तरीका होता है. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट लीव इट देयर एंड कॉल इट अ डे. यू हैव टू क्लीन इट प्रॉपरली. जो आप फेस वॉश यूज़ करते हो दैट इज़ फॉर वाटर बेस्ड इम्प्योरिटीज़ जो पानी के साथ निकल जाती है, बट फॉर ऑयल बेस्ड यू नीड अ ऑयल क्लेंजर. एंड मोस्टली हमारा जो नाक वाला एरिया है वेयर वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ ब्लैक हेड्स एंड bumps, उसके लिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई डू यूज़ इट एवरी डे, and trust me, when you use this you can actually see things coming out of your skin. If you can see on my finger there is a white thing, that is actually a whitehead that just came out of my nose with a gentle cleansing. So you just need to thoroughly clean your skin with this oil cleanser. You can use any oil cleansing, or that is up to you. I'm using the Bioderma one because my skin is sensitive and it suits my skin very well. And after thoroughly doing this, what I do is I wash my face, and after washing this is how my skin looks. ये जो एक होता है ना कि आपकी स्किन क्लीन होनी चाहिए, it's very important. So for face washes I have two options. I love two of these. One of them is the Cosrx salicylic acid and the other one is the Acne Squad Kickstart Cleanser, which again contains salicylic acid. Now the Acne Squad one is, I believe, a very nice cleanser. It although claims that it can help to soothe acne in 3 days, and it can be a daily use staple in your skincare, which is suitable for AM and PM. Both of the times you can use it every day at both of the times in both of your skincare routine. And इसको फोम करना इट्स वेरी ईजी, बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है. इट्स नॉट लाइक फोमिंग नहीं है, इट्स वेरी फोमी एंड एवरीथिंग. इट्स वेरी गुड, एंड ट्रस्ट मी इफ़ यू यूज़ इट एवरी डे यू कैन सी कि आपके जो एक्ने आ रहा है वो विद इन टाइम रिड्यूस होता है जस्ट विद अ फेस वॉश. दिस इज़ अ इंडियन ब्रांड आई बिलीव. येस, इट इज़ एन इंडियन ब्रांड, एंड ये बहुत प्यारा फेस वॉश है. दिस इज़ नॉन कमेडोजेनिक. दिस इज़ created with dermatologist. So you know it's very good for your skin if you have sensitive acne prone skin. So after applying this face wash I gently wash it off with normal water and tap it dry with a towel. Now I don't completely dry my skin. जब वो थोड़ी damp रहती है I like to use a toner. So this is one of my favorite toners when I have irritated skin or acne prone skin. You can already see I have used so much of this. Its color is like brownish type of color, and it is a Korean brand, and it has Artemisia capillaris extract. I don't know what that means actually, but all I know is it's very good for calming your skin. आपकी skin जब acne prone होती है, trust me, it's so irritated, so inflammable. आपको दुखता है उन acne पे, and they scars your skin and everything. Skin को ना calm, एक soothing effect चाहिए, and this toner is just for that. Trust me. इसका smell is very much थोड़ा foresty woody smell. I think this is some plant extract or something, but this works wonders on your skin. So if you have this, amazing. I know you have been falling in love with it, but if you don't have it, get your hands on it. Trust me, you won't regret. So I pat it all over my face, and इससे ना बहुत easy होता है बाकी जो स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स लगाओ आपकी स्किन में easily seep in हो जाए, easily absorb हो जाए. So a toner is always an essential and staple in your skin care. You have to see which toner works for you best, but this one I believe this is for all skin types, and I have sensitive skin, so yeah, it works wonders on me. So उसको पूरी स्किन पे टैप करने के बाद व्हेन आई फील कि अब स्किन के अंदर ये एब्जॉर्ब हो चुका है, वाइल माई स्किन इज स्टिल डैम्प, आई डोंट वेट कि पूरा स्किन पे एकदम ड्राई हो जाए, सूख जाए, नहीं, क्योंकि उसके बाद बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स उतना ईजिली एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होते. सो बिफोर अप्लाइंग अदर प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव टू मेक श्योर कि ये अभी भी डैम्प है, right? So I try to tap it all over to my face and wait for some time कि थोड़ा सा सूख जाए, पूरा गीला ना रहे, but my skin is still damp. So after that I apply this serum. Now this is again from Acne Squad, and let me tell you, this video is not sponsored whatsoever, and neither I did receive these products on PR or anything. I bought it from my own money. So this is the Acne Squad Breakout Terminator Serum with Thymol tea essence and salicylic acid, and it clinically claims to reduce acne breakouts in 1 week. Now I won't say कि आपके acne एकदम भगा देता है or anything in 1 week. It does of course, but एक week में it doesn't do wonders, but you have to like be consistent for like 15 days. And I use this product in my PM routine. I don't use it in my AM routine. And the best part about this is this is non-comedogenic, तो आपके pores clog नहीं करेगा, which is one of the biggest reasons कि हमारे acne आते हैं. So I apply a generous amount all over my face. This is like a transparent serum. It has a thick consistency, not very much thick, but thick consistency. And इसको लगाने का तरीका that works best for me is जहाँ पे मेरे को acne ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट लगाती हूँ, एंड जहाँ पे कम होता है वहाँ पे मैं कम लगाती हूँ, बिकॉज यू नो आपके फेस के सर्टेन एरियाज़ को ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट चाहिए क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा एक्ने प्रोन है या ज़्यादा उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, बट पूरे फेस को उतनी ज़रूरत तो ज़रूरी नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड. सो आफ्टर अप्लाइंग इट ऑल ओवर माई फेस, मसाजिंग इट, आई वेट फॉर इट कि ये प्रोडक्ट ड्राई हो जाए. ड्राई पूरा नहीं होता है, इट्स अ लिटिल बिट स्टिकी बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ थिक कंसिस्टेंसी सीरम. सो उसको लगाने के बाद आई वेट फॉर लाइक 5 minutes and then I apply my eye cream. Now this is the one which contains snail mucin. So you can see it's like very sticky and वो snail mucin वाली consistency है. This one is from Coxir, COXIR, their snail mucin eye cream, under eye cream. इसका कोई dark eyes या अंडर आइज रिडक्शन से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, डार्क सर्कल से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी वेरी हाइड्रेटिंग अंडर आई क्रीम दैट आई लाइक टू यूज because like I don't have severe dark under eyes, so I just go with a basic hydrating under eye cream. You can use any eye cream that suits you the best, doesn't matter, like आपकी eye concern पे dependent है, so I won't speak a lot about it. Just use it and massage it with your ring finger. That is a key point to understand. And after that I apply my moisturizer. Now this is the Bioderma CBM Hydra Ultra Moisturizing Compensating Cream. A lot to say together, but ye cream, like I can't tell you, this is like wow, you won't believe, this is like a miracle cream. I got to know about this cream from my sister. She used to have very problematic skin, very much acne prone, sensitive skin, and she was struggling with how to take care of it. And then she found this skincare cream and I used it and I was like, wow, this is nice, I must give it a try. And then I used it, I started using it, and I have never gone back. Like, trust me, whenever I have acne, this is the cream that I go running to, crying that please help me, please save my skin. And दिस इज़ डिज़ाइन फॉर दिस पर्पज़ टू कंट्रोल द सीबम ऑफ योर स्किन, कि आपकी स्किन पे वो ऑयल जनरेट ना हो. इट इज़ वेरी मॉइस्चराइजिंग, इट इज़ very nourishing, takes good care of your skin, it makes your skin so soft if you use it for a long time ना. आपकी स्किन किसी बेबी स्किन से कम नहीं होगी, ट्रस्ट मी. ये क्रीम इतनी अच्छी है. So I have this habit of doing face massage when I apply any of my moisturizer. Like you can see me right now, I've not gone mad. I'm doing my massage. So forehead, my nose area, my cheek area, my under eye के थोड़ा सा नीचे वाला area, I massage them all, you know, for blood circulation. Specifically, you know, you have to take care of your skin very very gently. It's not कि आप moisturizer लगाओ, it's enough. नहीं, आपको you know you have to massage it in certain ways कि आपकी you know फेस को स्ट्रक्चर मिलता है. इट्स लाइक अ फेस योगा, फेस टोनिंग एक्सरसाइज जो आप अपने चेहरे पे करते हो. यू हैव टू स्कल्प्ट योर चीक बोन, योर जॉ लाइन्स, योर अंडर आइज, योर नोज एरिया, योर फोरहेड, यू नो, ताकि वो स्कल्प्टेड रहे, टोन्ड रहे, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बना रहे. एंड देन नेवर एवर फॉरगेट टू पुट योर मॉइस्चराइजर ऑन योर नेक एज वेल. योर नेक इज पार्ट ऑफ योर स्किन, सो you should never forget that. And you know, before we finish our skincare, the staple that I use every time is my OG Dot & Key lip sleeping mask. If you have been around my channel for a long time, you know how much I love to use this lip balm. This is a bottle that I don't remember when I purchased it, but I'm sure it's not expired yet क्योंकि इतना चल जाता है. इस बॉटल में इतना लिप बाम आता है कि आप रोज़ भी लगाओ, 6 महीने का ही नहीं जा रहा है. So yeah, that is it for this video. You can let me know how you liked it, how these products worked out for you. I'm waiting for you to try them out and waiting that you see amazing results. So let me know in the comment section down below, and I hope that this video is useful to you. And मैं अपना Instagram handle screen पे visible दिखा रही हूँ, so that if you want you can follow me over there. And if you like this video, do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.